Hello everybody, it's Shannon at Stampin' Buds, and even though Halloween is past, I wanted to show you the new scrapbooking workshop from Stampin' Up called Halloween Memories. So the fun thing about this is I hadn't planned on creating this workshop because Halloween really isn't my jam. But the more I thought about it, I thought my kids go out and they celebrate Halloween. So I figured it would be a fun kit to put together and I could put their pictures in an album and tell a little story behind them. So in this kit, you get 11 workshop pages and it includes cutting guides. It also comes with these photo placeholders. So these are great for if you are putting together a layout but you don't quite have the photos, you use these in their place until you can replace it with photos. Then let me show you these cute border papers. You get two of these. You get two of these. And then these are the pattern papers that come in this kit. So don't you think that this one could do really well with the movie Hocus Pocus or even Harry Potter? This could look good with pumpkins. Stripes, this is a little busy for me, but I think that I have some ideas on how I can use this. And this is the back side. So I love stripes. I am a sucker for stripes and paisleys and polka dots. So I think this is really fun. It's like a cauldron of potion that's all bubbling up. It's very cute. And these are some Jack Skellington stripes. Then it also comes with a variety here of colored cardstock. And the fun thing about this colored cardstock is that this was a Close to My Heart original, and Stampin' Up, when Close to My Heart merged to Stampin' Up, they decided that this was so awesome that they decided to do it. And so they're offering two-tone cardstock in the Close to My Heart weight. So how fun is that? So check out this awesome sticker sheet. It has all the little things you need to decorate a scrapbook page or cards or however you choose to use it. But I want to go ahead and show you that I made these scrapbook pages as is, and I did it from the instructions only. So let's just move this over. This is the first layout, and I chose to put my grandson Oliver as he was dressed as A Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington, and this is his mom, Courtney. They came over and did some trick-or-treating in our neighborhood, and this little area right here, I'll be putting some journaling about that night and how he encountered different houses that were basically dressed up like him. Second page is this one, and you see how this looks so cute with this page. This paper that could be like Harry Potter or any kind of spells, potions, hocus pocus, that kind of thing. So this is my husband's son Cody, and he just got married to his new wife Maria last month, and they decided to dress up as the Addams family. So Morticia and, oh, I can't remember his name right off, but I know you guys can. And then that was all the pictures that they took. And so I was able to grab the ones from the years past. And so I will put a little note about that in here, and I will tell what they were. They were obviously some kind of king and queen, but we will get that figured out. So this last one, it shows a little bit of faux stitching. I would actually prefer to do real stitching on mine, and I've thought about redoing this kit and just going right over that. And this is baby Dexter, and he is new to our family. This is my middle daughter and her husband, Becca and Kobe. And so this is Dexter's first Halloween, and I thought it would be fun to give him a page as he's dressed up as a cute little pumpkin. I wish I had a picture of his little shoes because they were so adorable, but this is how that turned out. If you have visited my Stampin' Buds blog at all, you would have seen this really cute layout that I created out of the same kit. I just cut up the papers and did my own thing with it. And so this was from a year, every year, Rafe and I go somewhere for our anniversary. And this particular year, we went to Paris Disney. And so this was the dessert we had at one of the restaurants. And this, I just had to take a picture of this. Let me bring it up close. Look how cute that picture is. We don't know these people, but they had some of the best costumes that I've ever seen. And so I wanted to make sure that it got documented here. And while I didn't put any place for journaling, I think what I'm going to do is put like a flip flap probably right here where I will lift this page up and put a flip flap, and that way it'll flop over and I can tell the story underneath it. For anybody that knows Rafe and I, you know that we are big Disney people. And so we love going on the Monsters, Inc. ride. And remember this busy paper? Check out how I just incorporated it in here. I did one vertical, one horizontal, and then I created these on the Cricut. And I actually didn't have very good photos of the ride, even though we go on it. I make sure Rafe goes on it at least one time while we're there. And so I just pulled these photos off the internet because it represents something like that we like to do at Disney. And lastly, this is my Halloween memories page. And so what this is the year that Rafe and I and a couple of our girls went to Disneyland for the Halloween party. And Rafe actually proposed to me at Disneyland on top of the Tower of Terror of all places. And even though I'm not documenting that, these are some of the photos that we had from that trip. And I thought it would be cute to add some Cricut candy. So there you have it, a few different ways to decorate Halloween using this fun kit. If you need more information, please let me know. This kit is available while supplies last. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below.